mukhang medyo outdated yata yung ibang datos natin. And even if there's perhaps incidental evidence that 130, 132 was the price per kilo of pork in certain areas, it probably was in such minuscule amounts as to be insignificant. Sana i-focus na lang natin sa larger volume, doon sa universe of pork prices, at doon tayo magbase para matapos yung usapin tungkol sa price control. Thank you, Madam Chairwoman po.
Madam Chairwoman, with the permission of majority floor.
Sure, Nancy.
And then,
Go ahead, please.
Just another request for submission kasi parang may question mark dun sa kung paano nila nakuha yung presyo. Baka the DA can submit yung methodology na ginagamit nila when they get, how they get itong mga presyo. For submission lang po, Madam Chairperson.
Okay, we move that the DA would submit yung methodology nila sa pagkuha ng price of pork by region. Okay?
Thank you, Madam Chair.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.